Hi. Since the pandemic began last year in the beginning of 2020, iCure has been providing various solutions ranging from the aided telemedicine, wherein our frontline health workers have been able to go to the patient's doorstep and provide the telemedicine support through the doctors and the medical kits. And as the on lockdown happened, we have been also providing several COVID screening and COVID related facilities. So till date, we have treated and screened close to 100,000 patients. As the second wave struck, and we are seeing a catastrophe here in India, and as the major focus has been on the oxygen deficiency, and primarily the focus has been on the metros and the tier 1 cities, the population in the semi-urban and the rural areas has been not getting that due attention. With very poor health infrastructure in such areas, iCure has brought in the remote monitoring solution for these COVID patients who could be monitored right at the doorstep or at the community level through combination of iCure's app, expert doctors, nurses, and the frontline health workers. So here we are able to onboard the patient, guide the patient throughout their entire COVID period, look at closely at their hypoxia, which is the low oxygen saturation, and take immediate steps. So this is how we have been able to help the hospitals which are already getting overwhelmed not to get further overburdened, and the patients and their families are also getting the respite. However, in that we see one of the major problems is, as most of the patients do not have any medical kits at their home, COVID monitoring right at the doorstep is becoming a challenge. So we are looking for your support on that. The other challenge which we are all seeing is the unavailability of the RT-PCR test kits even in the metros and the tier 1s, leave alone that's the problem even in the semi-urban and the rural areas. So we have brought in something called as the U-Smell-It, which is the USA bodied, wherein it's already FDA registered. They have got the FDA approval, and it has also been thoroughly tested at the PGIMR Chandigarh by the Indian researchers. And we feel that this test, which could be carried out in less than a minute, can definitely help us identify, screen, and quarantine the suspected COVID patients, and then go for an RT-PCR or a rapid antigen for the confirmation. As you would know that roughly around 68% of the patients, they have lost the partial smelling ability, and even the person, they really do not know because they are able to smell the regular flavors which is available in the food or maybe in the kitchen, but they have this loss. And with this mechanism, we feel that if we are able to do this randomly and rapidly at a mass scale, we would be able to identify these patients in the population and thereby prevent and flatten the curve. So we look forward to your support in this endeavor. Thank you.